Amazon's newest listing content option might be the best way to get more sales from your Amazon listing. It's called Shoppable Collections. I'll show you how to find it and how to upload it in just a second. But first, look at this. See how this Shoppable Collections section is moving. Dynamic, eye-catching, way more interesting than what Amazon used to allow here. Now, compare it with a listing that doesn't have Shoppable Collections. When you scroll past the product information, it feels flat, boring, easy to ignore. And that's exactly why this new features matters. Alright, so here's how you get to Shoppable Collections. First, click the hamburger menu on top left corner. Then go down to the advertising, click A+ Content Manager. After that, hit Start Creating A+ Content. Now, this page will open. Here, you'll see Basic A+ Content, Premium A+ Content. I have got another video on that. And Brand Story, also covered in another video. And then, right here, this new section we are talking about, Shoppable Collections. Now, click here and boom. This is where you build everything, module by module, to make it look just like those examples I showed you earlier. Now, the first thing you have to add in this background container. This is basically the layer underneath, where all those cards float on top of. There's an image behind everything. That's this part. So here you will add your brand logo, your brand name, your brand store ID. And then choose your brand background color. And one important thing, this module is required. It's the only one you must add. Everything else is optional. You'll notice this part is locked. That's the required one we just talked about. After that, you can start adding more modules, as many as you want. Well, up to 10 modules in total. Each type of module has a limit. So Amazon won't let you just add 10 videos modules in a row. That's a cap. Now, before we break down every module, let's check the one we care about the most, the video modules. So I added 1, then 2 and 3, and that's it. 3 video modules is the max. You can't add more than that. So if you're going to use all 10 modules, which I recommend you do, because why not? You'll probably want to structure it like this. Video, then static, then video, again static, video, again static, and after that, the rest will have to be static modules. Alright, now we understand the limits. Let's actually go modules by modules and see what options we have. So I'm gonna click Add Module. Now you will see 7 different modules. Oh, wait, sorry, 6 options. Yeah, I'm great at math. So now you can see the modules options. We have bestsellers, custom collections, highly rated image with optional text, single product, and video with optional text. Now the most important one here is the video module. This is what makes the whole shoppable collection thing way better than the old brand story section, because the brand story module does not allow video. And let's be real, the internet runs on video. You can see on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you see it everywhere. Video is the king. So we are gonna start with the video modules because it's the most important one. Now, when I click it, you'll see it get added to my list. And here I can add a video, a headline, body text, and either an ASIN or a brand store ID. Now, here's how this works. If I put my store ID here, when someone clicks to the shop button, they go straight to my storefront. If I paste an ASIN here, they'll go directly to the product listing. So the whole idea is you use a video to inspire them, get them interested, and push them to click to your other product or your store. And hopefully, by that time, they have already added your main product to cart. That's the goal. Now, the headline is optional, body text optional. The real power is the video. And honestly, this is what it looked like. You can see this is the headline. create forever memories. And this is the body text inspiring delicious creations daily. And yeah, that text can be longer if you want. And the shop button, that's always there. But honestly, the default should be just upload a video. Now, right there, this is where you upload the video file. You can also upload a thumbnail image. Then add video title, video description. Pretty simple. Now, let's move to the next module, single product. Now, this one is interesting. There is no creative upload at all. You literally just add one ASIN, then a backup ASIN, then another backup ASIN. So if one product goes out of stock, Amazon automatically switches to the backup, which is actually pretty smart. So you never get a blank card and you never send traffic to an out of stock product. Alright, the next one, image with optional text. This one's also really cool. Here you upload your own image content, and if you don't have any extra images, you can literally make them with AI now. There are tools like Nano Banana Pro will make a video on that. But the main idea is you want an image showing the product in use. Not tiny, not boring. Big enough to clearly see the product and ideally with a real life situation, someone actually using it. Now, here you upload the image, optional body text and the ASIN or a story if you want, like whatever you put there. That's where the shop button sends them. Highly rated. This one looks like a normal Amazon section. It literally says highly rated. And you can add up to 4 ASINs plus backup ASINs. And you must add your store ID here because there's a shop now button that sends people to your storefront. Now, you don't have to use 4 products. You can use 2, 3 or 4. Amazon even shows you the previews. But honestly, I recommend using 2 products. Alright, next one, custom collection. This is basically the same as highly rated. The only difference, you create your own headline like kitchen essentials, best supplements, top fitness gears. So if you have different product categories, this is perfect. Now the last one, best sellers. Again, very similar to highly rated. You add your ASINs, add backups, add a store ID. The only difference, it says best seller at top, and that's it. That's the whole new shoppable collection section on Amazon. And honestly, this is a no-brainer. If you want to boost conversion rate, you should 100% be using this, especially if you already have video content. But even if you don't, you can use AI now. And the cool thing is, these videos don't need to be long. They're basically like moving image, even animated a lifestyle photo is enough. So there's really no excuse not to use it. And if you wanna learn how to create AI images or AI videos, we'll make tutorials coming up on that too. So keep an eye on the channel and I'll see you guys over there.